Hello everyone, welcome to Chef Crown. Today we'll cover vegetable lasagna recipe with spinach and ricotta. You don't need meat to make a lasagna that's rich, creamy, and full of flavor. This vegetable lasagna with spinach and ricotta is cheesy, comforting, and super easy to make. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need. Fresh spinach for a vibrant, earthy flavor. Creamy ricotta cheese for that rich texture. Marinara sauce for that classic Italian taste. And of course, layers of pasta and melty mozzarella. Full ingredient list is in the description below. First, cook your lasagna noodles according to the package instructions. Make sure they're al dente, soft but not mushy. Drain them and set them aside. Love lasagna? We've got 20 insanely delicious recipes you have to try. From classic to creative, there's something for everyone. Click the link now and start cooking. Now let's make the creamy ricotta filling. In a bowl, mix ricotta, fresh chopped spinach, 1 egg, garlic powder, oregano, salt, and pepper. This mixture adds a ton of flavor and keeps the lasagna soft and creamy. Time to layer. Start with a thin layer of marinara sauce at the bottom of your baking dish. Then add 3 noodles. Spread half of the ricotta mixture on top, followed by shredded mozzarella and a bit more sauce. Repeat with another layer of noodles, ricotta, cheese, and sauce. Finally, top with the last layer of noodles, the remaining sauce, and sprinkle Parmesan on top. Cover the lasagna with foil and bake at 375 degrees for 25 minutes. Then, remove the foil and bake for another 15 minutes until the cheese is golden and bubbly. Here's a pro tip. Let the lasagna rest for a few minutes before slicing. This helps the layers set so you get those perfect, cheesy layers in every bite. Look at that cheese pull. This lasagna is creamy, rich, and packed with flavor. The spinach and ricotta make it so fresh and delicious. You're gonna love this one. And there you have it, a simple, delicious vegetable lasagna that's perfect for family dinners or meal prep. If you loved this recipe, hit that like button, subscribe for more easy recipes, and let me know in the comments. What's your favorite lasagna filling? See you in the next video. Love lasagna? We've got 20 insanely delicious recipes you have to try. From classic to creative, there's something for everyone. Click the link now and start cooking.